So friends, the baby girl is in the studio, and first we are going with the Paris theme setup. So you are going to see me create this beautiful theme over here. I'm going to keep the props very simple, and the baby is going to wear a baby pink color beautiful outfit. So that is what is in the plan today. And the backdrop of the Paris theme has contrasting blue color, and it is a perfect shade for boys and girls. It has pinks and blues. So yes, that's what we are going to do right now. You're going to see the beautiful backdrop, and you're going to see how I'm going to create this beautiful setup for her. So let's get started. So friends, this is the backdrop. It's a huge backdrop. This has beautiful colors in it, like the shades of blues, turquoise blues and pinks. And this is really a very pretty backdrop for boys and girls. So I'm going to set it up here. In our studio, we use the magnetic backdrop system. So we do not have huge backdrop stands or bulky setups. So we keep it very simple using our magnetic backdrop system from AA Prop Store. And if you want, I will link it in the description below. So I am going to set the height of it, and I'm going to put it on this wall over my paper backdrop. That's it. So now I'm going to stretch it. It comes with this kind of magnetic clips. I'm going to go towards that side. Look at this beautiful backdrop. Dreamy backdrop. And that's about it. That's how we do the setup. That's how we actually hang the backdrop. It's so easy to put up and so easy to take it down. So this magnetic backdrop system is really amazing, and in my studio I've been using it for over 2 years now, and I cannot function without it. So friends, I'm going to bring out these colors down as well. I will maybe take some teal blue color flowers and surround the setup with those kind of elements. And plus we're also going to have some elements going on with the ONE1 setup, as the baby is going to be turning 1. So stay tuned. So this looks very minimal and it looks complete. So I'm going to go ahead with it. We are going to take some test shots first, and then we are going to get started. अरे 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 come
बाबू सांभाळताना मम्मा बिझी आहे मम्मा त्यांना पिना
come come
आले तू आम्ही पकडून देसी बस
Nami
तू आ पकडीस आ पकड काहू
Nami, hi. Nami. आगे को she balances ना? Nami. Hi, sweetie. Hi. 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 Chiki 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 chiki. Chiki 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 chiki. Chiki 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 chiki. Hi, Nami. Wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. Wheels on the bus bus, round and round.
हाय बाबू
All through. Hi. Okay. Doll को देख के फटाक से. She's so quick. Her photos are coming so cute. Oh, so cute she is.
बाबू आ रहे हो बाबू तारी डॉल અહીંયા છે ડોન્ટ વરી શી ઇઝ હિયર ઓનલી
Round and round, wheels on the bus. Nami. Hey, sweetie. Hi. Hi. See this. See, Nami. Who is this cutie pie? Who is this cutie pie?
બાબુ આજો યાદી બાપુ
So cute. अच्छे आ रहे हैं photos. You are liking the setup, right?
યા
It's looking very nice. Muted tones and beautiful. Johnny, Johnny. Yes, Papa. Eating sugar? No, Papa. Telling a lie? No, Papa. Open your mouth. Ha, ha, ha. Jiggu. Oi, Jiggu. Oi, cute. Hi. So cute. She is giving so beautiful pose. Oh, God bless. God bless you.
બાબુ 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 બા
Nami.
Have this.
All through the town. Nami. Hi. Aha.
Wow.
Okay, can you guys look at me? Nami. Hi.
The कौन आयो?
Put your heads together. Come together. Nice. Nami. Beautiful. Nami. Hi, sweetie. Nami. Okay. Nami. Nami. आप ना ये वाले हैंड से हग कर लीजिए एंड ये वाले हैंड से उसको पकड़िए. यस.
पफ आया है
Okay.
वो थोड़ा
ओके दिस वन राइट या दिस इज पॉसिबल. ये थोड़ा पॉसिबल नहीं है फिर वो अननेचुरल लगेगा. इसको फिल करना ये कर दूंगी.
आपके हिसाब से एडिटिंग
या चलो ठीक है. So, friends, we are done with the Paris theme, and the baby gave such cute poses. Really, I will just show you the back of my camera screen. The poses which I got are extremely cute, innocent, and like how I wanted them to be. So, yes, I'm very happy with what we have got with the Paris theme. Now, we are going to do the family outdoor photo shoot first, and because I gave a little tiny bit of break to baby for eating, so she wanted to take a nap as well. So she is sleeping very comfortably in our studio. And I am glad actually to provide such a comfortable environment to the families in our studio. And I absolutely feel that it is also required and suggested for families to consider when they're booking the photo shoot, because the baby's safety and comfort is at the utmost priority. So she is taking the nap, and when she is up, we will go for the outdoor photo shoot. Then the plan is to come back, do the next theme, which will be the boho setup, and then at last we will be doing the cake smash photo shoot. So that is the sequence which I have decided today. As you know that when she came, the sequence was not decided, but yes, I always take into consideration the baby's schedule. So now as she is taking a nap, the best thing to do will be to go for an outdoor shoot after she is up. So that's about it. Now I'm going to wind this up, and we are going to put our boho theme setup so that once we are back from the outdoor session, we can quickly begin with that setup. Can you come here? वहाँ पे वो जो green है ना इधर, यहाँ पे yes. हाँ हाँ, पहले सभी फैमिली मेंबर्स का ले लेते. Ay, 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 ay. Hi. Hi. You can hold her elbow and your that hand. नहीं नहीं इनका अंकिता का elbow और hand. Yes. आंटी आप भी इनका हैंड पकड़ सकते हैं या बेबी का. अरे अरे अरे. She is not smiling much. थोड़ा थोड़ा है. ये वाली क्यूट है.
बताओ.
थोड़ी हंसती
हाँ थोड़ी और इसको कर रहे हैं बट ज्यादा नहीं हंस रही. आपको इस तरफ डालना है. हाँ आप हैंड हैंड एल्बो. वेरी नाइस. नमी 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 आंटी अंकल मेरी तरफ. ब्यूटीफुल. ओके डन. नमी नमी. ओके.
अब कैट क्यों करे कैट.
ना मैं तू लात कराऊं.
ग्लेयर्स डाल सकते हैं क्या उसको. एक फोटो भी मुझे मिल गया ना. नमी
नमी आजा.
नमी
पाछळ बेसाडे ने. बाबू એને હાથમાંથી આપી દે ને ઝાડે.
आपी देख थोड़ी
नमी 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 नमी
नमी नमी
क्यूटी. वाव.
रानी दयाली वो वो बाबू ट्विंकल ट्विंकल અહીંયા જો નમી આજો મમ્મા પાસે આજો.
બાબુ નમી.
પિંક કલર ના સ્ટાર્સ.
વેર ઇઝ कैट. બાબુ
I
कैट
think
क्यों
I've
करे.
got it. Got nice ones. So friends, we are done with the family shoot. It was a wonderful shoot. The baby was crying also, but we had fun. I was going with her flow, and I think yes, now it's time to go back to the studio and quickly finish the other two creative setups. So let's go.
થઈ ગયું હજુ બોલાવે છે તને હજુ બોલાવે છે. તારું ઇન કરી દઉં.
Nice outfit. Both of you are matching. Aha.
નમી
पहना तो मैं कुछ नहीं रहने दो.
Pehna दी.
बाबू वेर इज कैट. कैट क्या थी कैट?
उसने निकाला ही कैसे?
वाओ वाओ लायन क्यों लायन रोर बाबू एलिफेंट क्यों करे नमी
नवी म्याऊ म्याऊ
पैरेट क्यों करे बाबू पैरेट
आजा ना मम्मा क्या ले कर रहा मम्मा कहाँ गई कर गई हाय हाय बाबू बाबू पीकबू पीकबू
नमी क्या गई
क्या गई
हमको ना उसका फेस से क्लोजअप लेके ले नवी
आओ आओ टाइम भैया आओ 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 કોનો અવાજ છે નમીનો અવાજ છે નમાનો અવાજ
बाबू
नमी
ये बेबी लाफर लगा दी ना थ्रोट बेबी लाफर हाँ
बिठा दीजिए
उसको बिठा दो बाबू बाबू
आपको थोड़ा आगे आने पड़ेगा एक्चुअली
ના હા આજો આજો બીજું કંઈક પકડ હાથમાં ફ્લેશ બતાડે ફ્લેશ બતાડ મોબાઈલ અત્યારે આ બતાડ વોચ એપલ વોચ
वो मानिए तो पॉसिबल है
નહીં
Okay, so we are done with the photo shoots of creative setups and now moving on to the cake smash finally. It has been a very long day. Really, it's been some time now we've started shooting. So I'm quickly going to get started with the cake smash setup and I'm going to take you behind the scenes and you're going to see some beautiful and fun images of the baby doing the cake smash. Blue theme. Okay, so the backdrop is here and now I am going to start with the decoration of the cake smash setup in the shades of blue. So stay tuned.
मैंने सोचा चलेगा अभी ये लड़का बना सकती हूँ बड़ी होने के बाद तो शी हैज टू वेयर ऑल गर्ल्स
अभी खुश हो गई हो?
अभी पता है केक कट करना है
ऐसी नहीं
नवी, hey,
बाबू आओ कर
और वायर आ गई है। Oh.
आलेवा अवसर एक मिनिट हा टोपी निकाल दे या रहने दे
अच्छी लग रही है, रहने दीजिए। हाय मम्मी। Hey.
अगं बॉक्स मॅच मला करवा कर की दोनों की तना पोय ला 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 ला
So, friends, that was about today's session. I hope you saw how amazing it was to capture this beautiful Cake Smash photo shoot, as well as the entire experience of the first birthday photo shoot with us at our studio, Amritamo Photography. The baby girl Nami is so cute, she's so precious, and I really enjoyed capturing their family today. And yes, we are done with the fourth and the final setup of Cake Smash, and now we are doing the wind up, and you can already see the cake, the there's so much to wind up in the studio now, and I'm going to do that and then head towards my home. So that was about today's vlog. If you liked our video, do comment below, and do like, share, and subscribe to our channel Amritamu Photography. So yes, that was it, and I will see you next time very soon. Till then, this is me, Amrit, signing off for now. Bye bye and take care.